Hey friends, it's your girl, Eat, Relax, Thrive, back at it again. Feeling unmotivated or blah? It might be your dopamine levels talking. See, dopamine is your brain's cheerleader, keeping you motivated and focused. But constant quick hits from social media or sugary snacks can throw things out of whack. This can lead to burnout and mood swings. The good news? You can control your dopamine levels naturally with food. In this video, I'll show you how real whole foods can boost your dopamine and help you feel amazing. Ready to ditch the afternoon slump and feel energized all day? Keep watching. Alright, let's break this down. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter, a chemical messenger in your brain. Think of dopamine as your brain's motivation molecule. It gets you excited, helps you stay focused, and gives you that feeling of reward. But it's all about balance. Our brains are wired to seek out pleasure and rewards. That's why we love tasty food, social media likes, and winning games. They all trigger dopamine hits. In today's world, we're surrounded by constant dopamine triggers. Notifications, social media, sugary snacks. It's like a dopamine free-for-all. This constant bombardment throws off our natural dopamine balance. This can lead to dopamine dysregulation, making us feel unmotivated and sluggish. But don't worry. There's a way to reset your dopamine system and get back to feeling your best. Let's talk about supporting healthy dopamine production through diet. The star here is tyrosine, an amino acid that's the building block for dopamine. You get tyrosine from protein-lean meats like chicken and turkey, eggs, fish like salmon, and plant-based options like beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds. Tyrosine needs co-nutrients to transform into dopamine. Vitamin B6, bananas, chickpeas, spinach, folate, leafy greens, lentils, and B12, eggs, dairy, meat. Don't forget iron, zinc, and magnesium, essential for dopamine production. Find these in red meat, beans, pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, avocados, and almonds. Your gut health plays a huge role in your dopamine levels. Your gut microbiome is crucial for mood, focus, and dopamine production. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help balance your gut. Find them in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut. Probiotics need prebiotics to thrive. Foods high in fiber like garlic, bananas, and oats. Fiber is a gut health all-star found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. So, when you enjoy a big, colorful salad, you're nourishing both your body and brain. Now let's talk about foods that can sabotage your dopamine. Refined sugar gives a quick dopamine rush, but is followed by a crash, leaving you sluggish and craving more. Processed snacks are loaded with refined carbs, unhealthy fats, and hidden sugars, messing with your dopamine balance. Caffeine in moderation can be beneficial, but relying on it can wear out your dopamine receptors. Enjoy caffeine in moderation and ensure you're getting enough sleep, hydration, and dopamine-boosting foods. Ready to put this into action? For breakfast, try scrambled eggs with spinach and whole grain toast. For lunch, a grilled chicken quinoa bowl with avocado and pumpkin seeds. Snack on Greek yogurt with walnuts and dark chocolate chips. For dinner, baked salmon with roasted sweet potato and steamed broccoli. Add a little sauerkraut for an extra gut-healthy boost. So there you have it. Nourish your dopamine naturally with the power of food. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. What's your go-to brain food? Let me know in the comments.